If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Capital One, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Gather required information. Collect all necessary personal information, including your social security number, account number, and any recent transactions. This information will help you verify your identity more easily. Step 2. Use the Capital One website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Contact customer support. If online verification fails, call Capital One's customer support at the number provided on their website. Be prepared to provide your personal information and explain the verification issue you're experiencing. Step 4. Verify through alternative methods. Ask the customer support representative about alternative verification methods. This may include answering security questions, providing identification documents, or verifying through a phone call or text message. Step 5. Follow up. After completing the verification process, monitor your email or account for any updates from Capital One. If you do not receive confirmation or if issues persist, reach out to customer support again for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Capital One. If you encounter further difficulties, don't hesitate to seek additional help from their support team.